Okay, so I just got done blow drying my hair. I am obsessed with this. If you guys didn't see my video where I did like a full-on first impressions, which became kind of like a review on that product, it's the Revlon One Step Blow Dryer and Volumizer. I've talked about it on my Instagram. I'm not sponsored by Revlon to talk about it or anything like that. I just literally, I'm obsessed with the thing. It blows out my hair so well. I just love it. It's better than putting a straightener on it. And if your hair is like damp, you can just dry it immediately. It'll just dry your hair, but like straighten it and volumize it at the same time. I am gonna get packing pretty soon. I'm heading up to LA today. As I was drying my hair, I was watching the show called The Marvelous Mrs. Maisel. I love that show. If you are an Amazon Prime member, I would highly recommend you guys watching it. If you like Mad Men, like those kind of shows, you'll definitely like The Marvelous Mrs. Maisel. I love it. It's so funny. It just has really good storyline, and I just think it's a really good show. So I wanted to show you guys a couple things that I got. So this is gonna kind of be like a haul. I'm gonna show you guys a couple pieces that I got from Vandervoort, which I've done before. And then I'm also gonna share with you guys, I got a package from PrettyLittleThing. So I thought I would just open it up on camera because I don't know how this is gonna work. Right now, I'm just wearing this like misguided, oversized corduroy. I don't think it's really corduroy, but it's really cute. It's just black. I think I showed it in one of my hauls, actually. I thought I would show you guys. I got Alaya for Christmas. I've been hiding all of her gifts. She's not here right now, but I got her a little baby blanket, and it's the Barefoot Dreams baby blanket in the little cheetah print. Give her a blanket that she'll have forever and ever and ever, and it's never gonna leave my house. Like, I'll take it places, but it's not gonna go to other family members' houses. Things just go missing, and it's so irritating. I had two gorgeous blankets that were gifted to me when I was pregnant for my daughter, obviously, and I would sleep with them so that they would like get my scent all over them, so it was like ready for her for when she was born. And she slept so well whenever she had them. They were the softest like cotton material. They were the Aiden and Anai's dream blankets, and they are so soft. And I love them so much. So I'm like so upset. They're both gone. I mean, I have a feeling I know where they are. I just won't get them back. If you guys have never felt Barefoot Dreams, go to your like closest Nordstrom or ask for like a Barefoot Dreams blanket for Christmas. They are a little expensive, but they are to die for. Let's start with Vandervoort. So I went to Vandervoort, and every month I go to them, and they gift me pieces to just style and stuff. They don't sponsor me to like talk about it on my channel or anything. I just love their stuff. When I went to Vandervoort, they had a bunch of new stuff in, and I just thought so cute was this little guy. This is like a fleece sweater, which I think I'm actually gonna wear tonight. I don't know what the weather is in LA. Is it the same as it is in San Diego right now? I don't know. But I just thought this would be perfect style with, like, if I could wear them with biker shorts, I could wear them with high-waisted leggings, I could wear them with denim. So I love this, and it probably looks really cute zipped up all the way as well, but I just thought this like camel green color or camel tan color was just gorge. Another thing I did get was from Vagabond. This is also from Vagabond. These are they're called the Kylie biker shorts, and they are in the size small, and they are these suede biker shorts. They fit so snug. Guys, if you look at this, like if you are someone who has hips, these are going to make you look so snatched. I'm not even kidding. I loved the way these felt. They are thicker, so you feel really like sucked in when you wear these, and I just think, you know, black is great. It looks so good on, and it just gives an added texture to an outfit. So like if I wore it with this, I think it would even be really cute. This is just like a cropped puffer jacket, and it's the corduroy puffer jacket. It's so cute. I got it in a size medium because I have really long arms, and the small and the medium don't really look that different on me at least, but this one fits me really well, and I just think it's gonna look so cute. Another great piece to like layer when it gets cooler. Another thing I did get was this snake top, which I thought was great for like layering. Even during spring, this is like a neutral, it's a really nice color. They call it a silver snake, but to me, I just think it's like a nice neutral toned. And they also have it in like a brownish copper color, which I thought was really pretty. And the last thing I got from Vandervoort were these earrings. These are from, Julia just told me how to say this and I forgot how to say it already. I can't say it. I just thought these were really cute, just for a different type of gold piece of jewelry. I'm used to doing like the round thick jewelry, so I just thought this would be a really cool different take on them. So I just thought that would be kind of like a cool different look. Still really pretty, I think, with my hair up. I like wearing earrings like this when my hair is up. I don't know why, I just do. PrettyLittleThing actually got this one jumpsuit I've been wanting for so freaking long. They were sold out of it, and they only had it in like a lighter color, and they finally got it back in stock, so I was like, I have to have it. The one thing I love about PrettyLittleThing is that everything that they have is really trendy. They have a lot of basics that work for everyone. They have all sorts of sizes, and just like neutral tones, also on trend pieces that are really great. I feel like the only places I shop are like PrettyLittleThing, Misguided, Forever 21, Revolve, and Vandervoort, and I feel like that's honestly maybe Urban Outfitters, and that's really it. The only thing that's kind of a pain is the returns, but this looked pretty good. Why is this a 6? Oh my god, why? Do not tell me I got this in a 6. Everything that I did get in a 2 is coming in on here as a 6. And then everything I ordered in a 0 is coming in as a 4. That's really weird. Okay, I totally think I just jinxed this entire order just because of what I said. I'm so mad. I just thought if I order it in a size 0, I don't know if it's gonna be long enough, even though 0s usually fit me around here. I just thought a 0 lengthwise was gonna be too short, and I thought, well, this is gonna be belted anyway, so I could just get away with a 2, but I don't know. This looks rather, for me, this looks big. Do you see how large this is? Look how big this thing is. But see, like now the pant, look how huge this is. There is no way. I'm like so upset. I was really looking forward towards that. Let's look at everything else before I make an executive decision on what the hell I'm doing. Okay. Okay, and then I got this. Okay, this is a size 6, okay? And I ordered it as a size 4. I got it in a size 2, sorry. Look how tiny. This looks like Alaya in like a year. But this is so cropped. There is no, like, there is no way my shoulders. Oh my god, this is going south. I ordered these trousers in a size 0. I hope these are not huge. Okay, so this is a size, this looks like a, yeah, this looks like a size 0. I got these giant pants. They're like these really nice trousers that I thought would look really cute. I was kind of thinking maybe this together. Okay, and the last thing are these disco pants, which I thought were really cool. I thought it'd be like a really good take on like a denim, like a black denim, instead of wearing black denim, which I do a lot. I was like, well, maybe I could try something that's like tight, but oh my god, this is I'm gonna have to try this on. I don't even know if I can wear underwear. Look at this. I'm gonna have to try this stuff on. We're gonna try this on. There's no way I'm doing this without trying it on. They look really good. Like the color, like the look of them is great. I just think, oh, can't really, yeah, you can. I was gonna say you can't really tell my underwear, but they fit. Okay, so this is so tight. I actually on camera it looks pretty good. I'm not wearing a bra, so just ignore my boobs. It's properly, like comfortably. look at where the seam for the shoulder is. Shouldn't it be out here? I don't know, I don't really like this top. I don't know about this, guys. I think that the way that they're supposed to be sitting on me, I think I'm just too thin. This would look amazing with someone who had a little bit more curve to them. I personally am not one of those people, I don't think. Yeah, this is huge. Look at these pants, they're huge. I just look like I'm swimming in this. So everything is going back, basically. Okay, so as you all know, I just tried on all those pieces from PrettyLittleThing and I'm so disappointed. Everything just was too big, and I'm usually really happy with PrettyLittleThing. I am like an avid, reoccurring, constant buyer from PrettyLittleThing, but this one just like, I don't think I've ever had it more of a fail than this one, but it is what it is. But I wanted to show you guys, I am gonna wear this LA tonight as I drive up there. I'm gonna wear these bike shorts. There are these suede, like I said. Don't they fit so nice? Like they make you look so bootylicious, right? Not like booty, but like soup. And then I'm just wearing the cropped. I'm telling you, it's so cute, and you would never think that it's as cute as it is until you try it on. It's like, you'll live in it. You'll totally live in this thing. I have to bring all my records because my boyfriend has a record player at his house, and our thing is kind of just to always like kind of wind down the night by like listening to like records and stuff. So we're gonna bring all those up there so I can like test them out. I think they should be in like perfect condition. My dad takes care of like everything. So yeah, I am gonna get packing. Oh, you know what? I'll look through stuff that I am supposed to bring. Like things I have to shoot. I'm gonna look through. My eyes are watering so hard right now because the AC has been blowing in my face. I'll turn it down for a second. So I am all packed. That literally took me, it's 6:50 now, so I'm behind time schedule that I thought I was gonna leave because I was just getting so distracted and like, I don't know, I just couldn't get myself together to pack, but finally did it. I made myself some coffee since it is 6:50. I want to be awake while I'm driving. I also filled up a cup of water. What? I just filled up a Starbucks cup of water, cheddar white puffs, and so I put some in like a little baggie, and then I also got some little chocolate covered JoJo's, I think is what they're called. I don't know what they're called. They're just heavenly. But anyway, I'm gonna get on the road. I'm gonna stop talking because I feel like this is why I'm so behind. I'm gonna go, but I will see you guys later.